Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, I wanted to dive into 5 ways to prepare for a productive week. So every single month, I am always trying to streamline my processes, streamline the different things that I do in order to set up my planner and use it efficiently. And so today I wanted to talk about the 5 things that I am currently doing within my weekly reset within my planner in order to make sure that I am prepared and productive for the week. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with the easiest section, and that is my schedule section. Most people, I feel like, already do this, but I did want to lightly talk about how I set up and prepare for a productive week within my schedule. I always start off with my appointments. With my appointments, I have been adding them to my colorful boxes and putting them throughout my spread. That way, I am really easily able to see what I have going on within my week. After my appointments and my meetings, the next thing that I will think about is all of the places where I need to go. So if I need to run to Barnes & Nobles or FedEx, if I need to do any type of errands, I try and plan them all on the exact same day. So this week I decided to do all of my errands on a Thursday. So I wrote down every place that I needed to go and I put it on Thursday. Now it doesn't always work like that. Sometimes I can't squeeze in all of my errands on one particular day, but I do try my best to squeeze them in all on one day at the same time so I don't have to leave and come back and leave and come back, because that disrupts my productivity. After I've set up all my appointments and all of the places I need to go, the next thing that I will plan is all of my routines. So I have an AM routine, I have a work routine, and then I have an evening routine. I will usually do an AM routine at the beginning of the day, Monday through Friday, and not do anything on Saturday or Sunday because those are my days of rest. So setting up my routines at the exact same time is the ultimate goal, but like I said, it doesn't happen the same way every single week. Sometimes I will have an appointment or a class or different things that I have to do around the time where I might normally do my routine. So I might have to push my routine down or push it to another day. But after I put down my routines, the last thing that I will do is add in all of the things that I need to do. And that's how I complete my schedule, starting off with my appointments and meetings, then all of the places I need to go, then add all of my routines and all of the things that I need to do. After I've completed my schedule for the week, the next place where I will go is my business section. My business section is where I am setting up all of the different things that I need to do strictly for my work. Now this will include all of my to-dos, my social media, my scheduled posts, my classes, my YouTube videos, anything that I need to do for clients, any prep that I might need for meetings. And usually I will pick some type of task that I would like to get completed within my business for the week. So I will add in the days that I would like to film. I will add in what I am expecting to post at what particular time and on what platform. And then I will also add in at the bottom here any interviews, client calls, any coaching that I need to do at the very bottom. So the top are usually to-dos, the second is usually social media, and then the bottom is all of my appointments or things that are specific to clients. So I like to set this up for my business, especially the bottom part where we're looking at interviews and client calls, because that's when I need to know that I might need to have on makeup or be specifically dressed for an interview or something else that's coming up. And what I really love to do for my business is prepare what YouTube videos are going to post and script them out before I turn on the camera, which usually I try and record on Mondays and Fridays. One of the major things that I love to do for my business is sending out and posting my weekly schedule on Instagram. I always try and post what's coming out for the very next week so that y'all can put it in your planner. So I usually will do that on a Sunday, and then on Monday I am usually recording all of the videos for the week and preparing for all of the classes for the week. So I will go to my YouTube tab and then I will script out all of the videos that I am planning on doing. I will head over to my classes tab and I will script out all of the classes that I am preparing to teach. And then with my meetings tab is where I will prepare any documentation, anything that I need for my clients. But doing this prior to the week starting really helps me out because I can just jump in and start flowing, and I don't have to worry about preparation beforehand. After I set up my business section, the third section that I will go to is my personal section. In order to prepare for a productive week within my personal section, this is where I will usually set meals. I'll decide which days I'm going to be cleaning. And also, lately, I have been adding in what I am preparing to wear for the week. So I have been having to leave my house way more often than I used to. So now I am starting to add into my personal planner if I am preparing to leave, or if I have an interview, if I have to get dressed for something in particular, I will try and write down what I am going to wear and hang it up on my rack in my room so that it's already laid out and ready for me. I realize that if I set this all up within my personal planner beforehand and I already know what's coming up and what workouts I want to do, I am more likely to actually complete them. I am more likely to clean. I am more likely to have everything set and ready if I've already put it in my planner. So I will do that in my personal planner, and that's the third area I am planning. And then the fourth area is going to be my finances. With my finances, I am reconciling my accounts, and I'm also looking at anything that I need to pay, buy, to save, and making sure my cash envelopes are set up for the week. So usually with this one, I'm just checking in on our money and making sure everything is good for the very next week. I will usually close out the week before, just see how much cash we have spent the week before, and then I will add in a brand new week so that we are good and ready to go. And I am planning on doing a full cash envelope stuffing video so that you guys can see how I set up my budget now, how I set up the cash envelopes, how I'm doing my sinking funds, and you have a full understanding of my process. But each week I will look at this and see if we need to purchase anything. And if we need to purchase anything, I will usually add it into my weekly spread. I'll just write it down so that I can remind myself what's coming up. And it really does help me to stay on top of our money weekly instead of waiting to the end of the month and trying to reconcile and figure out what happened. So I do all of that within my budget planner. And the next thing that I will do in order to prepare for a productive week is my reading planner and figuring out what I'm going to read that week. So with this one, it isn't really setting up anything within my planner, but I do like to decide what I'm going to read for the week so I can have some type of personal development for the week. Now, this could be listening to some type of audiobook, reading a physical book, or actually doing a class on Skillshare or Teachable, just making sure that I am going to be doing something that week that aids in my personal development. And those are the 5 things that I do within my planner in order to prepare for a productive week. You guys let me know, is there anything that you do to prepare for a productive week? I would love to hear your comments and get your ideas because you guys have the best ideas and they actually help me add in different things to my planning as well. And if you are interested in learning how to use your planner more efficiently, then make sure that you check out my new class, How to Start Planning Your Life. In that class, we are diving into the ways to use structure and set up your planner in order to use it more consistently. If you're interested in that class, make sure that you check out the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.